Good morning, all of you. From today, we will discuss some of the board examination questions of chapter matrices. Okay, you know what is matrix? A matrix is what? A matrix is an arrangement of numbers or functions. Okay, like we are taking an example 2, 3, 4, 4, 7, 2. This is a matrix. Okay, and this 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7 and 1. These are what? These are the element or function of matrix. And this is the matrix of order. This is row and this is column. So there are two rows, first and second, and there are three columns, first, second and third. So the order of matrix is what? Number of row into number of column. So order of the matrix is 2 cross 3. Okay. There are a lot of matrices. We will already study about it. So we will see some of the questions. Okay. Which have important from your examination point of view. So let's see some questions. First question is, if a matrix A is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 and A square is equal to Ka, then write the value of K. Okay, we have to given a matrix A and the condition is given A square is equal to K into A. Okay, then find K is what? So first what we will do? We will take this condition and we will put the value of A square and A in this equation, and after that we will compare. Okay, let's see. First we will see the multiplication A square. So we can write this A square is what? A into A. So A is what? 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Again A is what? 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So multiply. We know the multiplication of matrix is what? It goes in that order. Okay, means this is first row, and after taking first row we multiply it with the first column with this. Okay, so let's 1 into 1. Okay, plus, and this minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, now take this 1 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 1. Okay, now take this second row and first column, after that second row, second column. Okay, now see, minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1, again minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1. And you know the multiplication of matrix is possible only when this C is equal to R. Means column of first matrix is equal to the row of second matrix. Look at here, column of first matrix is 1 and 2. Okay, C1, and row of second matrix 1 2, which is 2. Both are equal. If this condition will satisfy, then we will say that the multiplication of the matrix is possible. Okay, the column of first matrix is equal to the row of number of row of second matrix. Okay, so we are seeing that here there are 2 column and 2 row in the second matrix, so both are equal, so multiplication is possible. And how we will do the multiplication? The first, consider first row, first column, first row, second column, again second row, first column, second row, second column. Okay, now look at here, 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1, again 1 into minus 1, and minus 1 into 1, again minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1, again minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1. So what will be 1 plus 1? This is minus 1, minus 1, this is minus 1, minus 1, and this is 1 plus 1. So we get 2 minus 2, minus 2 and 2. Okay, now take 2 common, 1 minus 1, minus 1 and 1. Okay, now take the given condition, a square is equal to k a. Okay, now put the value 2 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 is equal to k, and 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Now see this condition here, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, so it will be cancel both sides. So the value of k is what? 2. So in this way we can find the value of k. What we have done in this question, we have first take the multiplication of a into a, that is a square. We find a square. Okay, now after getting a square, we taken this condition and put the value of a square and a in this condition. After comparing, we are seeing that this matrix is cancelled both sides, so k is equal to 2. Okay, now we will see the next question. Next question is, if A is equal to 3 minus 4, 7 and 8, then show that matrix A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix, where A transpose is equal to transpose of A. A to the power t means transpose of A. Okay, and we have to show that this matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, that is skew symmetric. So let first what we will do here. First we will see what is transpose of matrix. Okay, what is transpose of matrix? If we have to given matrix and we are changing the row of the matrix into the column of the matrix. Okay, what we are doing, suppose that we have to given a matrix. Okay, and we are changing, suppose that 1 2 3 4. So what will be the transpose of this matrix? A transpose. The transpose of a matrix A is noted by A T. Okay, now we will change its row into the column, means 1 2 3 4. So this is the matrix which is transpose of this matrix. If we are changing the row of the matrix into the column of the matrix, then it is said to be transpose of matrix. Okay, it is clear. Now we will see what is symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So what is symmetric matrix? A matrix is said to be symmetric matrix if A to the power t is equal to A. Means the transpose of a matrix is equal to that matrix is called symmetric matrix. Okay. clear what is symmetric matrix? If the transpose of the matrix is equal to the matrix itself, then it is called symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric matrix? Skew symmetric, if the transpose of the matrix is equal to the negative sign with negative sign of that matrix, then it is called skew symmetric matrix. Means a to the power t is equal to minus a, then we say that it is skew symmetric. So in this question we have to prove that if this is a matrix, then A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric. Means the transpose of this whole matrix is equal to the negative of the whole matrix. We have to prove that this. Then we will prove that this matrix is, which is A minus AT, is skew symmetric. Okay, clear? So let's start the proving of this question. Okay. Now, solution. First, what we will get? First, what we will do? We will take the transpose of the matrix. So, what will be the transpose of the matrix? It will be 3, minus 4, 7 and 8. Okay? We get the transpose of this matrix A. Now, what we have to find? We have to find another matrix which is A minus A transpose. So let A minus A transpose it what? A minus A transpose it. So minus this 3 minus 3. Okay. Now minus 4 minus 7. Minus 7. 7 minus minus 4. 8 minus 8. Now what we will get? 0 and 0, 11 minus 11. So this is the matrix which is A minus A transpose. Okay. Now what we will do? We will find the transpose of this matrix. Okay. What we will do? We will take the transpose of this matrix, because we have to show that this matrix is skew symmetric matrix. We have to show that this matrix is skew symmetric matrix. So we will take the transpose of this whole matrix. Now A minus A transpose is what? We can write 0 minus 11, 11 and 0. Okay. This is the transpose of this matrix. Now what we will do? We will take the negative sign common from the matrix 0, minus 0, 11, minus 11 and 0. And you know, if we are taking outside minus, the whole, we will take a negative sign from the all element of the matrix outside. Okay. If we are taking outside minus, it means that we are taking negative sign outside from all the element of the matrix. So here will be 0, here will be negative, and it is positive 11, and this is 0. And this is what? This is our matrix A minus A transpose. So what we have proved here? We are seeing that the transpose of this matrix is equal to the negative sign of this matrix. Okay. Now, so we can say that according to the definition of a skew matrix, that a matrix is said to be a skew matrix if A transpose is equal to minus A. So that matrix A is said to be a skew symmetric matrix. So here we are saying that this is the matrix whose transpose is equal to the negative sign of that matrix. So we can say that A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, no doubt. Look at What is skew symmetric? You know. What is symmetric? You know. What is transpose matrix? You know. Understand? I hope you understand. Okay. So let's again, I am revising all these terms. Transpose. A transpose means what? We are changing the row of the matrix into the column of the matrix. Then it is called transpose of the matrix. Okay. Now symmetric matrix is what? If we are saying that this transpose of matrix is equal to the given matrix, then it is called symmetric. Okay. If again this transpose of matrix is equal to the negative sign of the matrix, it is called skew symmetric. Okay. So let's see another question. Now taking another question which is also important. These all the questions are asked in your board examination. So these are very important questions from your examination point of view. Let's see another question. Another question is, prove that the sum of two skew symmetric matrices is a skew symmetric matrix. What we have to prove that the sum of two skew symmetric matrices is a skew symmetric matrix. Means we have to prove that if A and B are two skew symmetric matrix, then we have to prove that the sum of these two skew symmetric matrices is a skew symmetric matrix plus B. Okay. So what we have to prove that? We have to prove that if A and B are two skew, we let that if two matrix A and B are two skew symmetric matrix, then we have to prove that the sum of two skew symmetric matrices is also a skew symmetric matrix. Means that is this term we have to prove that. Okay. So we have to given that A, let's see the solution. Given that A and B are skew symmetric matrices. Okay. It means that A transpose is equal to A minus A and B transpose is equal to minus B. Sometimes this transpose is written with a dash. Okay. So dash means also transpose. Okay. So both are the same thing. Somewhere somebody use this dash. You can also use this dash is also so that the transpose of matrix. Okay. So no doubt, don't confuse. So we have to given A and B are two skew symmetric matrices. Okay. So A transpose is what? Minus A and B transpose it what? Minus B. Now we have to prove that A plus B transpose. Okay. So you know that A plus B transpose means A transpose plus B transpose. Okay. So by the properties of matrices, so A transpose plus B transpose, A transpose is what? Minus A and B transpose is what? Minus B. So taking negative sign outside, A plus B. So in this way we are getting that A plus B transpose A is equal to the negative sign of this matrix. It means that it proves that the sum of two skew symmetric matrices is a skew symmetric matrix. Here the A plus B is the sum of two skew symmetric matrices, and we are getting it is also equal to the negative sign of A plus B. So which proves that the sum of two skew symmetric matrices is equal to is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, next, now we will see the next question. So next question is, express the following matrix as the sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrices. We have to given a matrix A 1 3 5 and minus 6 8 3 minus 4 6 5. Okay, we have to show that this matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Means we have to prove that A is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. We have to prove that this condition, where let this is P and this is Q. Okay, so this is our skew symmetric, and this is symmetric matrix, and this is skew symmetric. So this A is equal to the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. We have to show that this matrix. So let's start. First, take A transpose. What we are getting? 1 3 5 minus 6 8 3 minus 4 6 5. Okay, now we will add this both term. We get A plus A transpose is equal to what? 1 3 5 minus 6 8 3 minus 4 6 5 plus 1 minus 6 minus 4 3 8 6 5 3 5. Okay, now addition of both matrix is 1 1 2 3 and minus 6 minus 3 5 and 4 1 minus 6 and 3 minus 3 8 and 8 minus 8 0. Sorry, we are adding now. 1 and 1 2 3 minus 6 minus 3 5 minus 4 1 minus 6 3 minus 3 8 and 8 is 16 8 6 and 3 9 minus 4 and 5 1 6 and 3 9 5 and 5 10. So this is our sum of these two matrices. Now our P is what? P is 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. So 1 by 2, the matrix, this 2 minus 3 1 minus 3 16 9 1 9 10. Okay, so this is our P. Okay, now look at, if we are taking now we will find Q. Okay, suppose we are taking the transpose of P dash, either PT is what? So PT is what? 2 minus 3 1 minus 3 16 9 1 9 10. Okay, now change this. Now what we have done here, we have changed the row of all this matrix into the column. Okay, so let's see. 2 minus 3 1, 3 16 9, 1 9 10. 2 minus 3 1, 2 minus 3 1, minus 3 16 9, minus 3 16 9, 1 9 10, 1 9 10. We have changed all the rows into the columns. Okay, so we know that P is equal to P dash. It means that this P is symmetric matrix. So our first part is complete. Now we will check second part. So take again A transpose is what? The same thing. Now take A minus A transpose, that is A 1 3 5 minus 6 8 3 minus 4 6 5 minus A transpose 1 minus 6 minus 4 3 8 6 5 3 5. Now we have to find the negative of this matrix. We get 1 minus 1 0, 3 plus 6 9, 5 plus 4 9, minus 6 minus 3 minus 9, 8 minus 8 0, 3 minus 6 minus 3, minus 4 minus 5 minus 9, 6 minus 3 3, 5 minus 5 0. Okay, we have got this term. Now what we will find? We will find the 1 by 2 of this. Okay. Now take A minus A transpose and multiplied by this 2. We get 1 by 2 0 9 9 minus 9 0 minus 3 minus 9 3 0. So this is our Q. Okay. So P is, we have seen already that P is symmetric. Now we will see that this Q is skew symmetric. So let's see. This is Q. Now find Q transpose. We get 1 by 2 0 9 9 minus 9 0 minus 3 minus 9 3 0. We have changed the rows into the column. 0 minus 9 0 9 9 9 0 9 9 9 minus 9 0 minus 3 minus 9 0 minus 3 and minus 9 3 0. Now take the negative sign outside. We get 0 9 9 minus 9 0 minus 3 minus 9 3 0. Now see, it is equal to the Q. 0 9 9 9 0 9 minus 9 3 0. So this is equal to the Q. So our Q transpose it negative sign with Q. So it is skew symmetric. Now what we can do, we write that this P plus Q is equal to P is what? 1 by 2 2 minus 3 1 minus 3 16 9 and 1 9 10 and 1 by 2 again and 0 9 9 minus 9 0 minus 3 minus 9 3 0. Okay, now add this term, we get 1 by 2, 2 and 2, minus 3, 9, 6, 1, 9, 10, minus 3, minus 9, minus 12, 16, 9 and minus 3, 6, 1, minus 8, 9, 3, 12 and 10. Okay. After multiplication we get 1, 3, 5, minus 6, 8, 3, minus 4, 6, 5, and this is our, look at, this is our matrix A. So P plus Q is equal to A. In this way we can say that this matrix A can be written as in the form of P by P plus Q, the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Thank you.